In the all-new version of EasyDream software, we made expenses feature more intelligent and smart. It will auto-save expense name and recipient name, which will be useful for reporting and analyze later. Let's try adding the new expense. By default, you see today date. It is editable by admin only. Enter the type of expense. The software will save it and can be used later again. For example, machine maintenance. Now, next time you type machine maintenance, it will auto-pick and all expenses made for machine maintenance can be later on categorized. Enter amount. Mode of payment. Recipient name, Dave. Now next time you type Dave, it will auto-pick and all expenses paid to Mr. Dave can be analyzed. Description. Enter a detailed description for your personal reference. Done. Scroll down, you will see expenses history. You can use these filters, or if you want to see all expenses made for machine maintenance, you can type in the search box and press enter key. Now software has filtered data for you, easy and quick.